Hi, and welcome to NEXD. I'm going to show you how to find the campaign and creative statistics inside the NEXD Campaign Manager platform. In the campaign list, you can see your campaign's main performance metrics: share of different devices, impressions, engagement, and click-through rate. Hovering over each of these numbers will show more detailed information. To view detailed analytics information, click on the Analytics button next to the campaign. On this campaign analytics page, you will see the campaign overview, impressions, engagement, and click-through rate. Clicking the arrow underneath each box will show more detailed information about this metric. Scroll down, and you will also see summaries per ad type. Select the date range and a specific creative from the menu on the left. At the top of the page, you will see all the main metrics for the creative: impressions, viewable impressions, engagement, click-through rate, clicks, and viewability. You can change which metrics are being compared on the graphs. The engagement rate graph illustrates the different ways users interacted with the ad. Interaction timeline gives insights about when each user interaction happened. Hover over the graph to see more details. Performance data is a table with the metrics separated by date. By hovering on the numbers, you can see the event count, in addition to the percentage for each metric. Events list is a table with a list of layout-specific interactions and events. In the case of a cube ad, you can see how many users saw each side, and which asset they clicked on. You can hover over the numbers to see the percentage of served impressions for each event. Download the full report by choosing any of the download report types on the left. You can also have schedule reports to be emailed on a set frequency, or get a shareable link. Happy analyzing! If you need any help, feel free to reach out by using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@nexd.com.